In the yesterday video, I said that I will show my battery cycle. This is my battery cycle. See, 25 speed. Now I will show full detailedly, and at the last of the video, I will move test drive. You will see. Now once I will explain this is the cycle. This is the second handle cycle. From this scrap, we bring this cycle and repair friends this cycle. This is the key. This is the only we can buy in the Amazon. This is this kit, full kit motor, this headlamp, battery, and brakes, chain. All it comes 6,000 or 6,500 rupees. It will come at the motor full kit. This is my battery cycle. This is the aluminum box. See friends, in this see friends, these are two 7Ah batteries. These are connected in series. This motor is 24 volts. That's why we connected in the series. This is 24 volts brushed motor, 25 speed. This is motor, and 7 batteries. These are two. These are connected in series. See friends, positive, negative, negative, positive. That's like we connect the batteries. These are the batteries, and this is the controller friends. Controller. See friends, here came no wires. See friends, this is the controller of the motor. This is the charging pin. Here screws are there. Here small holes put, and screws put and tightened. This will not fall down because it is very strong and the high durability. This is the connections friends. Battery wires. These are battery wires connected to the. These go one wire in series connected, no friends. One wires go to the charging point. See friends, minus wire go to the here minus wire, and this minus wire go to the controller. Another here, another plus wire go to here charging pin, and another plus wire go into the controller. This is the controller, and we connect the motor pins. This is the, I will show friends. This is the motor pin friends. Motors. Black wire is there, no friends. This is the motor wire. See friends, here these two motor wires go into the controller friends. They go into the controller, and this is come from this accelerator. This is accelerator friends. Accelerator, brakes, horn, it will come. See friends, this is the wire. Blue wire came, blue wire. See friends, this is taped. Here came blue wire. This is also going to the controller friends. These are the connections friends. See friends, it will come 25 speed, and it will ranges from it will 10 kilometers, because these are only 7 8 batteries. These are small batteries only. It will go only 10 kilometers with these batteries. If we add more than batteries, we will go more and more distances. I will show. This is the motor friends. This is the motor. This is the fuel, and wheel chain added. This is the wire. It is connected into the controller. See friends how it will work. Slow speed friends, this is high speed friends. Now you will see friends, this is slow you think, but it will go very fast friends. I will show you my I will show you now. I will show now. You see now friends, this is very interesting. Keep a try. This is the 24 volts motor friends. See friends. See friends. See friends, it is very interesting. I like it so much.